Yeah, hell yeah. So we're buying that one, and we may as well take a look at that one. So I set up a showing. We're gonna pop into that one as well.
Awesome. All right, guys, we're out here in front of a property tour time.
So I was just telling Dave, it's funny, we're looking at 9607 Whistler.
Okay. Oh, shoot.
Whoa. My wife just sent me 9603 Whistler, which was just listed today.
Wow, that's literally right there.
Yeah, so again, we're looking at
9607, which is right there.
Which we're buying, you know, for like 40 or something.
We have this under contract already to purchase
Derek
it?
does, yeah, and we're buying it from Derek.
Cool.
Yeah.
Derek's one of our students that we're doing a deal with.
Yeah, hell yeah. So we're buying that one, and we may as well take a look at that one. So I set up a showing. We're gonna pop into that one as well.
Awesome.
Let's do this one, because this is...
You know, it looks like they've taken care of it. They've painted this lower area, which is nice. It's got soffits, which is also really nice, and the gutters look good. So the outside's, you know, good. This is a cool little street. Parking might be a little tricky, like you had mentioned, Mike, but all in all, this is a great little part of town right here. The backyard looks good, small, but looks good. Comes with a shed. From here, you can see the roof, but it's really difficult to tell if that roof is 30 years old or 15 or 20.
It's architectural shingles, right?
Yeah, but you can definitely tell it's not new. So you're gonna probably need some roofing work at some point. The deck, is that leaning to you? Or is it the ground? I guess it's just the ground.
I think the railing might need to be reinforced.
Yeah, the railing might need a little bit of work, but all in all, this looks pretty good, guys. Again, they painted the foundation, which is awesome. Makes it look really good. Condenser doesn't look too dated at all. And it's got vinyl windows. So all in all, I mean, the outside of this thing's looking pretty good. Let's go check out the inside. All right, guys, we are trying to run an appointment, and we are meeting the person that lives here. I don't know if it's a tenant or if it's the actual seller. We're buying this from a wholesaler, and they're not here yet. So we can kind of peek in the window and see that, you know, it's in good condition. It's just rental grade, but all in all, it looks nice. Hopefully we're able to get in, calling the wholesaler now to see where the person that's meeting us is at. We're back here on the back deck. Just wanted to peek in the windows here and get an idea what the kitchen looks like. And it's gonna be kind of tough to get you see it, but it's in good shape. You kind of see the countertops and the cabinets through the window, and the flooring and ceiling. It's got a vent and a fan. Not bad. The second door, this is the door I was just looking through right here on this side. There's a second door, which is kind of strange. He's got it covered up, so that might be a bedroom, which is a little strange, but not a deal breaker by any means. I don't typically buy houses without getting in them, but since I've been here, I'm buying this one for like 35, 36 grand, by the way. But since I've been here, and this one here with the for sale sign, I've been here 15 minutes. There's been 3 people come and walk through it. Just a hot market, and I'm basically paying 50 cents on the dollar for the one three doors down. Now it's rented, so it's obviously different grade of a house, but should still make for a great deal. So. Again, I don't typically like buying these houses sight unseen. I did see the outside, got video through the window for the...
Derek said he's coming in.
He's coming up through the other two, so yeah, hopefully we can get in still though. basement. There's the stairs coming down. Here's our electrical panel. I always like to look at this, just make sure it's got the updated breakers. Also, you can tell how old the panel is by how many wires or different types are coming in and out of it and different generations of work that had been done. Here's our door, which looks good. Basement looks really nice, actually. It's painted and clean. There's no sign. I always like to take a deep breath. Always no sign of mold down here. Water heater looks good. Definitely. Looks like they have washer and dryer hookups in this corner, which is nice. And the HVAC looks good. It has an air conditioner. You can tell that here with our coil. We also saw that outside. And the heater actually doesn't look too bad. It looks nice. So it just has a little bonus area. So this is a 2-bed, 1-bath. And I think we got ourselves a home run here, guys. This is a deal. This is a deal. So we're walking the property with the seller, and he's showing us all the things that are wrong, which is great. So we can know. It doesn't really bother us when that happens. Actually good, because they know the property. So just make a friend, guys. Always preaching that. The best part of being a good salesperson is just making friends. All right, seller just left, and that was a good deal. Mike, what are we buying that one at? 36, and I would imagine Derek, the wholesaler that's one of our students, is probably going to make 5 or 6 on it, you know?
Yeah, like
so
6 grand. You guys are like 30.
6 grand, 30,500, I think.
37.
Yeah, so he's making 6 on it. So we're in the one next door. This one here is listed for 60K.
Yeah, I think it was. Let's find out.
60K. This is listed for 80 grand, and we're buying the one 3 houses down for 36 grand, and Derek's making 6.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Damn. 80K, 3 doors down. Wow. It's obviously a little nicer, but not that much. It's bigger too.
But not that much.
But not that much. All right, so this isn't even a bedroom because it's got a door. I guess ours isn't really either. So yeah, count that. Count it. But you know, we could make ours look like this for 15 grand, I know. So this is a 3-bed, but it's still a 1-bath though.
Well, I don't know if I call it a 3-bed.
Yeah, it's really a 2-bed, really. Let's see the basement. Where is the basement? Is it that way? Maybe it's only accessible via the outside. Yeah, could be. Unless there's a. This has got a little bit more square of a yard and some grass, but a little shed, of course, too. Just peeping out the competition, guys. Keeping out the competition. All right, let's see the basement. Is there access? Basement's over here, buddy. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, same. Not done though. That's what I'm looking at. Is it finished? It's not. It's good though.
The other
So,
basement was cleaner though, bro.
the other basement was cleaner.
Cleaner, drier. This one's got a lot of mold and water issues, it looks like.
Mm-hmm. All right, so as we're leaving this one, there was a guy out here in this truck that wanted to view it, but he's not an agent. And Mike is like, hey, I'll happily let you see it. We're already here. So if this guy wants to buy this one, Mike might be able to get this guy as the buyer's agent. Just from standing here being polite, telling him that he would let him view it real quick. And he's obviously, you know, with him. So just being nice to people, networking. I mean, this is how deals really get done, guys. It's getting outside of your house, get off your couch, quit watching TV, go look at properties, meet people, make friends, make offers. And in this case, we're just holding a door open for somebody. He might be able to make a 3% commission just helping this guy make an offer. Who knows if that'll happen, but that's how it would happen. So, get off the couch.